We're making our way over to this side now. Check out these little cichlids.
Sometimes I gotta put my foot down, especially when I just have the mustache in. I look like a park ranger. I don't think they understand how big this thing is. It is like that big.
Redtails are literally massive. Holy moly, they're still here. Look at all the beta fish.
What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today, as you saw by the title and thumbnail, we're about to get into some not only fish store action, but quite possibly even a shopping spree. It just kind of depends on what's at the fish farm right now.
The saltwater pond, I don't want to show too much of it, but it's in action.
That is going to be the next video, so make sure you're not going to miss out on that one. Click the subscribe button down below. Before I get started, I'm in the fish building. Obviously, you guys love the fish, of course, but I want to show you what I actually got inside my P.O. box. How dope. That thing lights up. Amazon corner.
That's so sick.
Marlon, thank you so much for this beautiful piece of art here. This is incredible. This is gonna be amazing in the Amazon corner. Big shout out to Marlon for making this.
It came with this little twist knob, and that makes it brighter and lighter. It looks awesome. But if I turn the lights off, check that out. It looks cooler at night. It still does look really cool during the day. And even when the lights are on from this distance, that light still is so bright in the sign that it looks amazing.
Thanks so much, Marlon. That sign is actually awesome. I had to just share that before we got started.
Aw, look at our bicer. He's best friends with the Fly River. They're hugging each other.
We got the gar. They're growing slowly. Bala bala.
Without further ado, enjoy probably the coolest fish shop in Miami. We are here, Neighborhood Fish Farm, one of my favorite spots in Miami, and I've done a tour video here actually before. This may look familiar, this background. I'm fogging up, it's very, very humid. It just got done raining. It might even rain again. But today we're gonna show you this entire fish farm, at least 90% of what I can show. So we're gonna start off right here at the very front of the shop. Now I did walk by a little bit of stuff, nothing crazy, just a couple front hoses and stuff like that. We're gonna start here and work our way all the way down and all the way this way as well. Got a lot of stuff to show you.
In each of these little tiny ponds, there is fancy tail guppies. So these little tiny guppies, which these are blue, so they're gonna be a lot easier to see. See all those things? So many of them.
One thing I love a lot about Miami is the water here. The water is crystal clear. They don't get any sort of the coloration in the water like I do.
Back at my home, the water's just crystal clear in every single pond.
Look at those pretty little things.
Guppies down this whole row. Actually, look.
If you look really closely, there's a pair of beta fish right there. Holy moly, look at the colors on them. Oh, there's another one.
Oh, there's another one right there.
Oh my gosh, there's so many. Okay, take that back. There's a lot of beta fish
with these guppies. And this last tank here does have goldfish, which is really cool. To the side of me here, we have some gouramis.
I can show you real close. See the blue gouramis in there?
And there's kind of just a lot of scattered fish along the whole entire side here. They're small, they're hard to get on camera, so we're probably gonna pass up a lot of different fish that are here. From what I've realized, there used to be like arowanas and stuff in all of these, and I don't see those arowanas anymore, so maybe they downsized on fish for now. All these ponds seem to be empty as well, maybe just a couple scattered fish here and there in each one of them, but nothing really noticeably crazy inside of them.
Oh, that's actually some really cool guppies in this one right here.
And that one right there. And that one. Lots more guppies.
And now there's little signs that say what species we're about to see. So now we have tetras right here.
As you can see, tetras. And in each of these, there's going to be different types of tetras. Look at all of them.
And that's about it for that entire row. I know I'm going quick. Well, it's starting to rain right now, but there's really not much to see so far. But I've heard, word around the block, there's some crazy ones coming up.
All of them right there. There's always goldfish in each pond. I've noticed that too. Goldfish seem to be just kind of scattered in every single one of these ponds. Some more tetra. Over to the next one. See what we could find. Check out all these tiger barbs. These things are so dope. They're literally orange. They're orange. What do you think, Brenton?
Out of everything, that's what you think is dope? Disgrace.
You know what? I agree with him.
You shut your mouth.
With him or me?
Oh, I thought you were agreeing with him.
Yeah, now he's on my team. Come on, Jake Juan.
I'm with you, Paul.
Yeah, aren't those
shut up.
I thought you were...
Look at these little baby fish.
See him? He's real tiny.
And they're hiding all up in these lily pads right here. Some nice lilies. We got a couple little sharks in here.
The beautiful little rainbow sharks. Oh, well, they're awfully quick. Holy moly, I barely can keep up with those ones.
Some tiger barbs down in there. And now this right here, we just walked down and there's really not much at all as well. I'm trying to skip past the smaller stuff. It is starting to rain a little bit harder. We're gonna have to wait out this weather real quick. And then we're gonna continue on to the other side, which we should get to see a little bit cooler stuff. We're making our way over to this side now.
Check out these little cichlids.
We all love the cichlids here at the Cuffaro family.
Oh, look at those.
Frontosa's best friend.
Little orange and yellow cichlids over here.
Next one over is some nice electric blue striped cichlids over here. I'm not exactly sure the name of those. I'm assuming both these rows are the African cichlids. From what I remember, that's how it was.
It's over, you gotta leave.
No.
Yeah, they asked me to tell you.
I couldn't even take you serious if you did work here.
Shut up. Sometimes I gotta put my foot down, especially when I just have the mustache in. I look like a park ranger.
Imagine you in like an FWC outfit.
Oh God, no.
That would be great.
I'd have a hard time following the law. I mean, not that.
Holy smokes. Okay, this is what we were looking for. A little bit bigger of fish. These things are beautiful. I want one of these cichlids, I'm not gonna lie.
Should we do a little bit of fish shopping today? I don't know. Look at those things, my
Goodness. Dude, those are sick. I love the white, the little blue pearl look to them.
Skirtily doo-doo cha-ching. I think you should get one.
You're a bad influence.
I won't say that.
You're a horrible influence, you know that?
You see them? Little baby albino Oscars right there.
Oscar's trying to hide from me, but I got too good of a fish eye. I'm like a little hawk. If I was a hawk, I'd be swooping down. I'd be catching fish left and...
I literally thought these were albino arowana, but they're not. They're not.
Crazy. Look at them. They look like little eels. Algae. Should we buy some of that? Look at that. Cichlids. Cichlids. Plants. They do have a great assortment of plants here. I've noticed that. Every time I come here, there's so many different plants to buy. So if all you plant lovers, live plant lovers, great spot to get some plants. Now we can go. Well, Cuffaros, we are out here now. We are out in the open. Feels great. Look at this. Oh yeah. Each of these ponds have a bunch of different species in them. Of course, we can get deep into the species if we really want to, but as you can see, there's really just a variety of mixed fish. It's almost like they just throw a bunch of fish together. Looks like in this pond, we're specifically looking at like African cichlids. There's a good amount of cichlids right here. And this connects all together. These are some monster African cichlids. What is that behind there? What is that? Oh, big Garamama. What up, Garami?
Gorilla mama.
Dude, we got that exact same thing in my pond.
Absolutely phenomenal.
You don't have that of yours, dude. You should ship that back to Texas.
Yes, I do. It's just not albino.
Yeah, albino's cooler.
No, it's not.
You shut your mouth.
No, it's not.
Let me do my tour, okay? Leave me alone. Wow.
All right.
How are we missing this, dude?
Kyle, Lucas, Darius, Mark, Joshua, and Martin.
I thought that was Timothy.
Dude, there's no way. Now, is that a pied, or is he just kind of sick?
I think he's kind of sick. He's sick.
Yeah, he does look a little sick.
But he doesn't at the same time because his fins are white. I don't know. You comment down below what you think.
I don't think they understand how big this thing is. It is like that big. Look how thick its tail is.
Look at the iridescent shark, dude. It literally looks like a bull shark. We got a beast. That's Beast right there. That's literally Beast. His brother, his long lost brother. You would love my pond, buddy. So would all you guys.
An arrow, Mima.
Wow, that is a monster silver arowana right there. That is Jumbotron. Wow.
Jumbo Mima.
And these red tails are literally massive. I want mine to grow this big.
Hello.
Wow, dude, they're just attacking the GoPro right now. That right there is an epic pond. On over to the others. I think that connects. That does. What is over? Holy moly, they're still here. Last time all these were here and they're still here.
Yeah.
I would think they'd be sold by now, but a lot of people have pacu because they get them small and they grow so big and then don't realize it. This is how big they get.
I want one of those albino pacus so bad.
Look at that.
I should buy it for you.
Mainly to eat.
You want to eat that thing?
Yeah. No.
Look at the size of those.
We ate one of these in the Amazon and it did taste fantastic.
I feel like everything in the Amazon would taste good though. You're starving.
Yeah, there was nothing that tasted bad. That was because of
That is so crazy though, dude. You literally were catching these where they're from.
Yep.
That is awesome.
Those are.
Oh,
that is
you see that red tail
beautiful, beautiful.
In that corner.
Oh yeah.
That's
Yep.
the tiger shelf
All the
red
tiger
tail.
shelf and those hybrid, yep. A lot of these ponds are covered If you pull it up, nothing at all. Yo, not gonna lie, Neighborhood Fish Farm is a dope spot, but they have a lot less fish than they did last time. Look at these guys, all fired up to see us. Hey, buddies. Look at them, they're fired up, dude. It's like a giant school of friends. Wow. That looks awesome. At my house, the 3,600 gallon that we will be setting up soon in the next couple of weeks, just finalizing the permits on it. I'm putting lily pads in it. I'm getting lily pads, I'm getting vines on the wall, I'm doing a big logo. We're teaming up with Next Day Koi for that. And if you don't know who Next Day Koi is, it is a company that I've been working with for years now. I have a 10% off code down below. A lot of you guys use it. For goldfish and koi fish, you literally go on the site, everything you see on the site is exactly what you get. And it's called Next Day Koi because it arrives at your doorstep the following day.
I have an idea.
What's the idea?
Remember that arowana you had in like the 5,500 gallon?
Yep.
RIP. See that massive one in there?
Yeah.
It's very fitting for
There's
that pond.
no way they sell it. I've tried.
I already talked to the lady.
Stop that.
Quick 40,000
40,000 likes.
We get her.
40,000?
40,000. I'll split it with you.
You heard it. Me and Brenton are gonna split that massive silver arowana. Smash the like button. Look at those iridescents. Whoa! A little Oscar in there. Oh my god! That is the largest Oscar I've ever seen in my life. I wish I could show a comparison. That's my hand compared to that fish. That's bigger than any Oscar I've got, I'll tell you that. Anyone home? Oh my gosh, there's so many fish. Look at them all. Walking over to this one. I mean, this place is massive, guys. If you're local, you're in Miami, definitely come check this out. It's dope. Can you see anything specific? Now, this, if we get 45,000 likes, this is what I'm gonna try to get by. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to get this one. Hello, baby. Oh my goodness. The albino-ness is just so beautiful. I have one of those right now. It's growing up. Hopefully we'll be in the 5,500 gallons soon. It takes time to grow those though. I remember those last time and they were a lot smaller. So as we feed, they grow. We got a good diet for my fish in the building. You already know that. Albino arowana will be getting transferred soon. I wanna make sure Thump or, you know, Beast at my pond doesn't eat him, so I gotta grow him. That right there though is a quick run through of the Neighborhood Fish Farm. Dope spot. Like I said, if you have the time to come here and visit, I'll leave in the description down below the location. Lots of ponds. Lots and lots of ponds. And it really never gets old. Every time I come here, there's different things. Although this time, I won't lie, there was a little less species, but it's always a cool and fun experience. Make sure you subscribe down below if you haven't yet already, so you don't miss my next video. Smash the like button so we can get that arowana. Oh my gosh, they also have this now. This rocks, a lot of rocks. Some more tanks. Oh, these are feeders. Look at all the beta fish. Wow, and each cup is a different beta. Well, more fish to put out, I guess. Thank you all so much for watching, and Jaquan, finish her off for me. Peace.
That was very lame, Paul.
Stop that.
I hope you cut that out the video.
That's not nice.
That shouldn't make it.
That
Don't, Paul. Paul.